Hey everyone, welcome back to Casual Talk English. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Kylie. Today, we're talking about something we all visit sometimes, the pharmacy.
Yes, that place with medicine, band-aids, and yes, sometimes chocolate too.
Exactly. We're going to share a real life story, some simple English words, and tips for beginners.
So, whether you need medicine, vitamins, or just want to learn English while listening, this video is for you.
Let's get started.
Hey Kylie, how's your morning going?
Hey, Jordan. Pretty good, thanks. I was just thinking about something. I had to go to the pharmacy today.
Oh, really? That sounds exciting.
Well, not exactly exciting, but it was kind of funny. Pharmacies can be a little confusing sometimes.
True. I remember the last time I went, I spent like 20 minutes just looking for cough syrup.
Yes, exactly. That's what happened to me today, too.
Okay, let's start from the beginning. Why did you go to the pharmacy?
Well, I had a headache, and I also wanted to pick up some vitamins. Oh, and my mom asked me to get some band-aids, too.
Wow, that's a lot. So it's not just medicine. Pharmacies are like little stores with all sorts of things.
Yeah, exactly. There's medicine, vitamins, snacks, even some drinks sometimes.
I always forget that. I just go in thinking, I need medicine, and then I'm suddenly in a candy aisle.
Oh, yes. I got distracted by the chocolate today.
Me too. Okay, so let's talk about the actual pharmacy part. Did you go to the counter or did you just get stuff from the shelves?
Both. I picked some things from the shelves, like vitamins and cough drops, but then I went to the counter for a prescription.
Ah, prescriptions. That's a bit more serious. Did you have a prescription ready?
Yes, my doctor sent it electronically, but sometimes I think people bring a paper one.
Yeah, I usually just show my ID and my insurance card.
Oh, right, insurance. That's another thing that can be confusing for beginners.
Totally. I remember my first time using insurance at a pharmacy. I had no idea what they were talking about.
Me neither. I just nodded and smiled.
Same here. So, what happened when you got to the counter?
Well, the pharmacist asked me a few questions, like, do you have any allergies?
Important question.
Yes. And then they asked if I'm taking any other medicine.
Oh, that's always tricky. I always forget what I'm taking.
Me too. I had to check my bag to remember.
Smart move. So, did they give you any advice?
Yes, the pharmacist told me how to take the medicine, like take one pill every 6 hours with food.
That's good. I always forget instructions, so I usually write it down.
Me too. I even put a note on my phone so I don't forget.
Smart. And did they ask if you had any questions?
Yes, and I asked one question about side effects.
Oh, side effects. That could be scary.
A little, but the pharmacist explained it really well.
That's good. I think pharmacists are really helpful.
Absolutely. They know so much, and sometimes they give little tips too.
Like what?
Like, if your throat is sore, they suggested a warm tea with honey, not just medicine.
Oh, nice. I love that. Medicine plus little home tips.
Yes, it felt very personal.
That's true. So after you got the medicine, did you go straight home?
Almost. I stopped by the cough drop aisle again.
Of course. Did you buy some?
Yes, I couldn't resist.
I always do the same. Okay, let's talk about other things in a pharmacy. Sometimes people buy things like shampoo or soap, right?
Yes, and even toothpaste, first aid kits, band-aids.
Oh, that reminds me. You mentioned Band-Aids for your mom.
Yes, she wanted the ones with little cartoons for kids.
That's cute. Did the pharmacy have them?
Yes, they had a whole section of fun band-aids.
That's great. Pharmacies are more than medicine, I see.
Definitely. And sometimes they even sell snacks and drinks.
I think that's how I always end up buying chocolate.
Same here.
So, did you see a lot of people at the pharmacy?
Yes, it was kind of busy. Some people were getting prescriptions, some were just looking for snacks.
The mix is funny, right?
Very funny. And some people were asking for advice from the pharmacist.
That's good. People should ask questions if they don't know.
Absolutely. Better safe than sorry.
Did you notice anything interesting about the pharmacy layout?
Hmm. Well, the medicine is usually in the middle, the pharmacy counter is at the back, and snacks or small items are near the front.
Yes, and sometimes there are signs that help you.
Right. I think that helps beginners.
Definitely. Okay, let's talk about a funny moment. Did anything funny happen today?
Yes. A little kid was asking for candy, but the candy was near the medicine, and he thought it was medicine.
Oh no. Did the parents explain?
Yes, they laughed and explained. The kid looked confused but happy.
Kids are funny.
Very funny. And it made me smile while I waited for my prescription.
That's nice. Waiting can be boring.
Exactly. But small things like that make it better.
So, after you got everything, how did you feel?
Relieved. I got my medicine, vitamins, and band-aids. And I didn't forget my chocolate.
That's important.
Very important.
Did you pay with cash or card?
Card. And I used my rewards points too.
Oh, yeah. Some pharmacies have reward programs.
Right. I love when I get a discount.
Me too. Small savings make a difference.
Absolutely.
So, for beginners learning English, what vocabulary is important for a pharmacy?
I would say prescription, over-the-counter medicine, pharmacist, allergy, side effects, dosage, cough drops, vitamins.
Yes, and also insurance, band-aids, first aid, syrup.
Right. And don't forget, asking questions is important.
Yes, like, do you have? Or, how do I take this?
Exactly. Simple questions are enough.
That's good advice. Okay, let's do a short recap for beginners.
Sure. First, you find the pharmacy. It can be in a big store or a small shop.
Second, you look for the medicine you need or ask the pharmacist.
Third, you check if you need a prescription or if it's over the counter.
Fourth, you answer questions about allergies or other medicine you take.
Fifth, you follow the instructions for the medicine carefully.
And finally, don't forget to pay. Maybe use rewards points and enjoy your small treats.
Yes, treat yourself.
So, any final thoughts about going to the pharmacy?
I think it's not scary at all. Just ask questions, follow instructions, and don't rush.
I agree. And sometimes it can even be a little fun.
Yes, like seeing funny kids, choosing chocolate, or learning new words.
Exactly.
Well, thanks for talking with me about this. I feel like I can go to a pharmacy in another country now and handle it.
That's great. Learning English and learning real life situations go hand in hand.
Absolutely.
Okay, everyone, that's it for today. Remember, pharmacies are helpful and asking questions is always okay.
And don't forget your chocolate.
Very important.
See you next time.
Bye.